Welcome to your daily English listening practice. Today, we have a chilling mystery for you. The story is called The Midnight Phone Call. Listen carefully, follow the words on the screen, and feel the suspense in every moment. It was a cold November night when Jack sat in his small living room. The clock showed 11:50 p.m. He was tired after work, drinking tea and reading the newspaper. The house was old and quiet. Sometimes the pipes made strange sounds, but Jack was used to them. At exactly 12 a.m., the phone rang. Jack jumped. Nobody called him at night. He picked up the receiver. Hello?
Jack,
He felt a chill. Who is this? No answer, only the whisper of breathing. Then the line went dead. The next night, at midnight, the phone rang again. Jack tried to be brave. He answered quickly. Hello? A low humming noise, almost like someone crying. Jack. Jack's hands were shaking. He slammed the phone down. He could not sleep that night. On the third night, he decided to prepare. He sat near the phone, notebook in hand, ready to write down anything he heard. At midnight, the phone rang. He picked it up. Hello? Who is this? Stop calling me!
downstairs.
Jack froze. His house had a basement, dark, damp, filled with old furniture. Who are you? Jack demanded. But the line went dead. The next night, the whisper was stronger.
Jack, downstairs, now.
Jack dropped the phone. His heart was beating fast. Something pulled him down, as if the voice had power over him. He took a flashlight and opened the basement door. The stairs creaked. In the corner stood an old wooden chair. On the chair sat a black, heavy telephone. The phone rang. Jack picked up the receiver.
Turn around.
Jack turned. Behind him stood a tall, thin figure, pale face, empty eyes. It opened its mouth. No sound. Instead, the phone whispered.
We finally found you.
The basement light went out. The next morning, Jack's neighbor knocked on his door. No answer. She looked through the window. The house was silent, empty. On the table in the living room, the phone sat quietly. And at exactly 12 a.m., it began to ring again. Now, let's practice your understanding. Here are 3 questions for you. What time did the mysterious phone calls always begin? Where did the whispering voice tell Jack to go? What strange object did Jack find in his basement? Thank you for your daily practice. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English horror stories tomorrow.